Hello and welcome to another adventure with Kev's Rail Fanning. It has been since late August, early September of 2024 that a potash train is headed to Nutriens' Barrett Point Terminal in St. John, New Brunswick. The terminal needed to make a significant amount of repairs and improvements in order to be able to operate safely. While this work was ongoing, potash trains were reported to have been running to Florida via CSX for shipments abroad. This B730, which was to have been loaded at the first of the week in Saskatchewan, this is the first of 2 reported test loads to ensure that the facility can safely load ships. If things work out, then maybe sometime in April we will see 4 or 5 or more loads a month head to the terminal. CN B730 has CN 3373, 3970, and exCREX lease unit, mid-train DPU 3379 and 2934, and rear DPUs 3370 and a rear-facing 3869. The 190-car train is 9,470 feet long, and I will find out later from an awesome source that it weighs in at 28,420 tons. A max train would have 205 cars in total. It is a lot of weight to handle. 3300s are some of the newest rebuilt AC 44C6M units. A train like this will be a great test to show just how capable they are or are not. So it is because of this that we set out on an adventure on March 15, 2025 and find ourselves in the village of Pohenegamook, Quebec, between the west end of Estcourt siding and the bridge over the Riviere Saint-Francois at mile 55.1 Pelletier South. The signal at the west end of Estcourt had only been lined up for a short while before we got there at not 6:18 hours Eastern Time. This was a good sign as we knew a train was coming and we had time to get set up and top the car up with gas. It is a 1% downhill grade from CN Pelletier, about 12 rail miles west, that flattens out where we are, and the veteran CN engineer will soon fill the air with the sounds of heavy dynamic braking and the accurate smell of brake shoe dust as he tries to stay below the 35 miles per hour track speed limit for this stretch. It sounds like they will soon be along. So here is CN B730. Hello, old friend. It's been a while.
CN 730-33-73, direction ouest, vitesse normale à l'avancée d'Estcourt. CN 730-33-73, direction Est. 1055, direction Pelletier, sans restriction, c'est normal à l'ouest de Estcourt.
It has been a fun drive up and it's looking to be a great day for this adventure of chasing B730. This will be the first of 5 videos, so hopefully you'll watch out for the others. I hope you had a good time watching CN B730. Hello, old friend. It's been a while. Until we meet again for the next video on this B730 adventure at Kev's Rail Fanning, enjoy and have a great day.